Imagine a tiny house that feels like a quiet escape into the heart of the Swiss Alps. Natural, serene, and entirely soul-soothing. Welcome to another inspiring episode on Nuance Art, your go-to channel for innovative home design and interior ideas. Today, we're exploring a masterpiece of nature-inspired architecture, a Swiss-style tiny house that blends warmth, minimalism, and stunning craftsmanship. With every corner thoughtfully curated, this home doesn't just look beautiful, it feels like a sanctuary. Whether you're a minimalist, a nature lover, or someone looking to build your own tiny haven, this design will surely steal your heart. Stick around as we walk you through every detail, from the handcrafted wooden beams to the cozy interior layout. If you love home design as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nuance Art for more beautiful design inspirations like this. The first thing that captures your attention is the home's timeless exterior. Drawing inspiration from traditional Swiss chalets, this tiny house features natural wood siding, locally sourced stone accents, and a sharply pitched roof, all set against a tranquil forest backdrop. The large overhangs not only echo Alpine style, but provide practical benefits like weather protection and passive cooling. A small wooden deck invites you in, perfect for sipping a morning coffee while listening to birdsong. There's also a quaint window box garden blooming with lavender and alpine herbs. What truly sets the tone is how harmoniously this house blends with its environment, not dominating the landscape, but becoming part of it. This house feels more like a sculpture shaped by nature than a structure placed upon it. Every inch of the exterior celebrates the rustic beauty of the Alps while embodying modern sustainability. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an intimate yet open living room designed for both relaxation and connection. Large picture windows flood the room with natural light, framing breathtaking views of pine trees and mountains beyond. The walls are clad in reclaimed timber, giving off a soft, weathered texture that instantly grounds you. A small but elegant built-in sofa, adorned with hand-woven Swiss blankets, invites you to curl up with a book. Minimalist yet cozy, the space uses neutral tones accented by forest greens and icy blues to mirror the outdoors. Smart storage is subtly integrated beneath seating and within the walls, maximizing space without clutter. Despite its size, the room never feels cramped. thanks to an open floor plan and strategic vertical design elements like tall shelves and exposed beams that draw your gaze upward. It's not just a room, it's a retreat. Tiny doesn't mean compromising on function or style, and this kitchen proves that. The design is a perfect marriage of form and function, where every drawer and cabinet is crafted with purpose. Warm wooden cabinets are paired with a stone countertop, reminiscent of the rocky alpine terrain. Brass fixtures add a touch of modern elegance, while open shelving displays handmade ceramic dishes and copper cookware. A compact yet highly functional two-burner stove and mini fridge are seamlessly integrated, and the layout forms a natural work triangle for efficient cooking. What's most impressive is the clever use of vertical space, with spice racks, utensil hooks, and hidden compartments. Skylights above let natural light pour in, eliminating the need for artificial lighting during the day. It's not just a kitchen, it's a celebration of slow living, encouraging homeowners to savor simple meals in a space that feels grounded and genuine. Right off the kitchen is a charming breakfast nook, custom-built to fit perfectly beside a panoramic window. A live-edgewood table, handcrafted from local timber, serves as the centerpiece. Paired with two simple benches and layered with woolen cushions, the space feels both intimate and open, ideal for sharing meals, journaling, or watching snowfall through the glass. Above, a modest pendant lamp made of pressed wood fibers provides a warm glow at night, maintaining the natural theme even in the lighting choices. The window acts like a living painting, changing with the seasons, from summer greenery to winter snowcaps. This small dining space emphasizes a key principle of Swiss design, celebrating the connection between indoors and outdoors. It encourages mindfulness and appreciation of one's surroundings, making every mealtime feel like a ritual of beauty and stillness. Tucked away above the main living space is the sleeping loft, accessed by a wooden ladder with built-in shelving. Here, under the vaulted ceiling and exposed beams, lies a cozy sleeping area that feels like a nest. The bed is wrapped in layers of linen and wool, with thick Swiss-style duvets and hand-knit throws. Strategically placed skylights allow for stargazing from bed, while blackout shutters ensure restful sleep. Despite its modest footprint, the loft includes side cubbies, reading lights, and even a hidden niche for a nighttime tea set. The use of natural textures, soft colors, and warm lighting creates a cocoon of comfort, a space designed for total relaxation. It embodies the essence of mountain living, peaceful, minimalist, and always in sync with the natural world. Every element invites you to slow down, unplug, and drift into a restorative sleep. In this Swiss-inspired tiny house, the bathroom is not an afterthought. It's a wellness sanctuary. Small but beautifully designed, it features a walk-in shower lined with river stones, giving you the sensation of standing in a mountain stream. The sink is carved from a single block of granite, sitting atop a floating wooden vanity. A composting toilet ensures eco-friendliness, and a skylight above allows natural light to flood in, bringing a sense of openness. Walls are treated with moisture-resistant clay plaster, offering breathability and a tactile, earthy finish. Even the mirror, framed in driftwood, is a piece of art. Aromatherapy oils and potted plants add the finishing touches to a room that's more spa than bathroom. In just a few square feet, this space delivers a powerful message. Wellness and design go hand in hand, even in the tiniest corners of your home. One of the most compelling aspects of this home is its commitment to sustainable, nature-honoring design. Every material has been chosen with care, from the FSC-certified timber and reclaimed beams to the natural insulation made from sheep's wool. Solar panels provide off-grid energy, while rainwater is harvested for use in the bathroom and kitchen. The house is also insulated with eco-friendly cork, keeping it warm in the alpine winters and cool during the summer months. Even the paint is non-toxic and VOC-free. But sustainability here isn't just about being green. It's about living in a more intentional, respectful way. The design doesn't just reduce its footprint. It encourages a lifestyle that is slower, softer, and more attuned to the rhythms of nature. This is more than a tiny house. It's a living philosophy built into wood and stone. This Swiss-inspired retreat isn't just beautiful, it's deeply practical and versatile. Whether you're dreaming of a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or even a luxury rental, this design can adapt. The open floor plan allows for multifunctional use without ever feeling cramped. Its compact footprint makes it easy to transport or replicate in different environments, from lakeside meadows to forest glades. The thoughtful layout proves that tiny living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or elegance. It's about choosing what truly matters. Each design choice invites you to reflect on your own lifestyle. What do you need? What brings you peace? With built-in storage, durable materials, and a universal design aesthetic, this home is an invitation to redefine luxury, not through size, but through quality, beauty, and intention. As we conclude this tour, we hope this Swiss-inspired tiny house has sparked your imagination and maybe even shifted your idea of what home can be. It's not just a place to live, it's a sanctuary designed with heart, where every material, texture, and line tells a story of nature, simplicity, and mindful living. We believe that great design should not only look good, but feel good. And this home is a perfect example of that philosophy brought to life. If this inspired you, whether it's to build your own tiny retreat, update your home, or just appreciate natural design, then we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment your favorite part, and subscribe to Nuance Art for more inspiring journeys through architecture and interior design. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces and always stay inspired by nature.